What if you could spend 2 weeks abroad gaining real consulting experience with a startup? With the SageCourse Startup Consulting Program, you'll join a team of university students to tackle a real project for a local startup. Meeting directly with founders to learn the project scope and get to know their company. Past projects have included financial modeling for a startup incubator and go-to-market strategy for an AI-powered document search software.
What my team is doing specifically is analyzing their portfolio and looking at key performance indicators to show how big their impact is on this market.
SageCourse staff will guide you through group work, feedback sessions, and a practice presentation to sharpen your skills before a final presentation to your startup client. Outside of work hours, experience the city's culture and history with SageCourse organized activities and free time to explore. 2 weeks of hands-on consulting, skill building, and cultural immersion. Apply now to secure your spot.